everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to try to dupe a new palette that was just released. It's the LA Girl palette in Main Stage. Now, this palette is nothing that I'm trying to buy or thinking about buying. There really wasn't anything in this past new releases that was tugging really hard on me. But I thought this one would be fun to dupe. But just to let you know, this palette was just released. It is available at Ulta. The suggested retail price is $15.99. Ulta has it on sale already for $11.99. So, you know, that's a great deal. I like LA Girl eyeshadows. I think they're fine. I don't have any problems with them. I've had a couple of their palettes. I'm okay with LA Girl. I think they're good, especially for the price. So if you want the LA Girl Main Stage palette, please just go get it. I mean, it's $11.99 at Ulta. But if you're thinking, I like that palette, but do I have things that already in my collection? That's what we're here for today. So, put a picture here of the I'm going to try to do a split screen. That's something new. I might try to just do a split screen, hopefully. But anyway, if you'll look at this palette, the very top row are light colored shimmers. And I have pulled 6 palettes. And those light colored shimmers, I'm not really going to try to dupe today. I did pull my Supernova BH Cosmetics palette, and these are all shimmers. So this is a great palette to have if you're wanting a shimmer. And look, there's a, you know, dusty rose colors, and can't really do that green, but there are some greens you can do, and purples. So yeah, this one could easily dupe those 4 shades on top. Okay, we're going to focus on the bottom 3 rows. So we're going to start top row left, that pale green. And the closest thing I have to that pale green is my Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. And I have this pale green. Now, it is not the same. It is not the same, but when you put it on your finger, there we go. We're just going to go ahead and swatch it right there. I think it's a good enough dupe for me. That one well, I don't know, side by side, they're not too bad. Let me hold this up again so you can see it. There we go. Wait, where am I? I'm split screen in here. There we go. Okay. Next, we have like a periwinkle blue. Now for that blue, I pulled out my Kat Von D Divine palette. And as you can see, I believe that blue will dupe that top blue. This is in Waters. Let me look in a mirror so I can see where I'm swatching. There we go. I think that's a good dupe for that color. Next, we have a purple. For that matte purple, I pulled out my Lunar Beauty Moonspell palette. I love this palette. I love the shades in it. So we're going to go with Sabrina right over here. Sabrina. There's Sabrina. Let me look in the mirror. Whoops. Let me move this. I made a little extra mark there. There's Sabrina. I think she will dupe that purple nicely. And then next to that is a dark burgundy. I'm going to go to my Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsession palette. And I'm going with this purple right here. Let me put that on my arm. Get a little more. There we go. I think that gets that one. Okay, next row down, over to the left, that hot green. I think this one would be better. It is a matte. So in the Moonspell palette, we have one called Bonnie. Bonnie is also a matte. There we go. There's the green. Okay, next we have a blue. It looks like a Carolina blue. So I'm going to go to my Tarte Icy Bitch palette. And there is the blue, I think, that will match that one. So weird. Oh, I'm using that mirror. Here we go. There we go. There's the blue. Next, we have a shimmer purple. I'm going back to Moonspell. Going back to Moonspell and getting this color Piper right there. Piper's a shimmer purple. There's also Phoebe. Probably either one. I'm going to go with Piper. Yeah. There we go. There's Piper. And then it looks like maybe a really dark, like a burgundy with some brown in it. I'm looking at my Huda Obsessions. That's a shimmer. Then I'm looking at this one right here in this palette. There we go. Bottom row, we have a green shimmer. Now, I'm going back into my Divine palette from Kat Von D and going into Pink Flamingos. That is a green shimmer. And there we go. There's the green shimmer. Next, we have a blue shimmer, a really pretty blue. Now, I have two. Well, actually, I have a few options. In the Divine palette, there's Baltimore. That one would work. Or in the Icy Bitch palette, there is this color or maybe even this color right here. I'm going to go with this top one. Oh, it's my mirror. I keep forgetting. So I can see my swatches. There we go. Next, we have a deep purple shimmer. I'm going into the Amethyst palette. And I'm going into this purple right here. There we go. I think that works. And then last is a black. And I have black right here. I'll just go ahead and swatch it. To be a completist. To be a completist. There we go. I think I can dupe that palette and can safely say I do not need that palette. So again, the palettes I used, BH Cosmetics Supernova, that would do all your light shimmers. Now that one is still available. The two that are not still available, these two are discontinued, and that's the Kat Von D Divine palette and the Tarte Icy Bitch. Those are not available. These other three palettes are still available. The Huda Emerald Obsessions and Amethyst Obsessions, and the Lunar Beauty Moonspell is still available on Mandy's website. Mandy's website. Mandy's website. So there we go. Guys, what you think? I think I did it. Oh, and I took my mirror away. So anyway, guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please let me know if you like this series. And I'm going to continue doing this like every week. And we'll try to dupe a palette with what I've already got. So guys, again, any questions or comments, just leave them down below. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Everybody, stay safe, stay well, and I will see you next time.